You're looking for a pair of hearing aids that won't interfere with glasses. You could put a hat on, easy to wear, easy to use. Comes with a case that you simply hold and grab open. And when not in use, simply place back in. If it's one hearing aid or two for many hours of use, portable and lightweight. Hours of use. What we're going to do is show you how simple it is to set up and what this hearing aid is about. Coniler hearing aid, 16 channels, noise canceling, small, compact, easy to use, fits in the ears. Indoor, outdoor. We're going to open up the package and show you what you get inside. You wear glasses, earmuffs, hat. These are what you get inside the box. Nicely packaged. And underneath you get a cleaning cloth, microcloth, an accessory kit, and a manual. What comes in the package is a cleaning cloth, USB-C charging cable, 2 large earbuds, 2 small earbuds, one for the left, one for the right. The case, on the case backing is USB-C charging area, and on the front is the opening tab. Simply grab and open. You'll notice a green light, a blue light, and a button. Your left and your right little notch indicator. When using and setting up the hearing aid, opening up the case, taking out and placing into the ear, 10 seconds the hearing aids are on. Place back into the case and close the case, the hearing aids will automatically turn off. The hearing aid has 7 adjustable volumes by touching the hearing aid. Press once for the minimum, once for the maximum, once for the medium. The hearing aids. When the hearing aids are in the ears, long press 5 seconds to manually turn off, and short press to turn on. These are just not hearing aids. They can be paired to your smartphone. To answer a call, it's short press. To basically reject or hang up, 2-second press. When the hearing aids are charging or getting low, it'd be a blue light, and when fully charged, it'd be a red light. And when you want to factory reset the whole unit inside, over 5 seconds hold the hearing aids charging case would be reset. Opening up the hearing aid case to connecting to the phone. A28, press. Connected. We are ready to use our hearing aids. We can listen to music. As you cannot hear the music of the phone, they're playing in the hearing aid. Close down the app. And the hearing aids will go back to the natural sounds of the environment. If the sounds are not loud enough for you, tap the hearing aids to increase or decrease the sound. It takes about 10 seconds for the hearing aids to adjust. With the hearing aids, you'll have just a little bit of a feedback if covering up the microphones. Again, these are the hearing aids in the ear. They sit like regular AirPods. They will run a number of hours and they will be charged for a number of hours. For further information about your hearing aids can be found online or in the manual. To clean the hearing aids is simply cleaning the earpiece, grabbing a tip, matching the inner hole, and placing on. Is simply pulling off and placing on, like so. When all done and ready to use for the next time, open up the case, simply match up the left and the right hearing aids, and they will magnetically snap in and close to fully recharge. Grabbing a charging cable and placing into the back for a number of hours to charge. The unit would turn from green to red when fully charged, about a couple of hours and all-day runtime. You're looking for hearing aids, indoor, outdoor, noise canceling, 16-channel that looks like a regular earbuds, and they're in the air. They're easy to put in, easy to set up, and they have a number of volume controls. And they can be left in the air so you could make a phone call, listen to music, connect it to Bluetooth by simply opening up the Bluetooth and pressing on the 28, and you're all set up. Within 10 seconds, changing over from listening to music to hearing natural sounds and more. I hope you enjoy your hearing aids. If this is what you are looking for, I thank you for viewing and have a great day.